Want to make your garden stand out this summer? While everyone else is planting the usual flowers, why not grow something truly unique? Some of these bloom in striking colors, others have fascinating shapes, and a few even carry a hint of mystery. Stick around to discover some of the most extraordinary plants you can grow this season. First up, the black bat flower. True to its name, this exotic plant has dark bat-shaped blooms that seem almost otherworldly. If you love plants with a gothic appeal, this is the one for you. Best grown in warm regions, it thrives in pots or can even climb trees for a dramatic effect. Next, the golden rayed lily. This showstopper is one of the most breathtaking lilies you'll ever see. With large radiant blooms and striking golden streaks, it brightens up any garden and works beautifully as a border plant in moderate to cooler regions. The bearded iris is a garden favorite, and for good reason. With stunning blooms in shades of pink, blue, and white, it's a low-maintenance choice that thrives in bright, indirect light. Just ensure it gets plenty of water, and you'll be rewarded with dazzling summer color. One of the rarest finds on this list is Middle Mist's Red. This camellia variety is an absolute gem, producing clusters of rose-like flowers. It needs protection from strong winds and enjoys afternoon shade, making it perfect for sheltered spots in warmer regions. Another fascinating pick is the kangaroo paw. Its name says it all. The red fuzzy flowers look just like a kangaroo's paw. A native to Australia, this heat-loving perennial adds an exotic charm to garden beds and containers. Just trim spent flowers regularly to keep it thriving. If you want a flower that's as fragrant as it is unique, try the chocolate cosmos. This deep maroon perennial not only looks stunning, but also carries a delightful chocolate scent. It's ideal for both garden beds and containers, and regular deadheading will keep it blooming longer. Looking for something delicate yet striking? The toad lily is an excellent choice. It stays compact, making it perfect for borders, and its light purple, white, or blue flowers have a speckled appearance that adds a touch of whimsy to your space. For glossy foliage lovers, the giant leopard plant is a must-have. With massive shiny green leaves that can reach a foot wide, it makes a bold statement. Plus, in warmer regions, it produces beautiful yellow flowers that contrast beautifully against its lush greenery. Foxtail lily is another showpiece plant. With tall, vibrant flower spikes, it commands attention wherever it's planted. Whether against a garden wall or as a backdrop for other plants, this perennial is a guaranteed conversation starter in cooler to moderate regions. For those who love hanging plants, parrot's beak is an exciting option. Its flowers are shaped exactly like a parrot's beak, adding a fun and playful look to your hanging baskets. Pruning regularly will keep it blooming at its best. The ghost orchid is as mysterious as it sounds. Its delicate white flowers appear to float in the air, giving it an ethereal quality. However, this rare beauty is best grown indoors or in a greenhouse, as it requires specific conditions to thrive. For a truly bizarre addition to your garden, try the snake lily. While its towering, unusual blooms are fascinating, be warned, it carries a strong fishy odor that might not be for everyone. Still, if you love quirky plants, this one's a standout. Bear's breeches is a dramatic plant with large ruffled leaves and towering flowers that add height to any garden. It spreads easily, so regularly pruning is a must, but it's an excellent choice for creating natural fences and borders. Lastly, Japanese forest grass is a stunning ornamental grass that brings texture and color to your garden. Its yellow-green foliage looks fantastic in both borders and containers, and it's relatively low maintenance as long as the soil remains slightly moist. Now that you know about these unique perennials, which one will you be adding to your garden this summer? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more gardening inspiration.